This video is about area of a sector and a length of an arc. In the formula chart, we are given length of an arc, L equals r theta. Theta is the angle measured in radians. Area of a sector, A equals 1/2 r squared theta. Theta is the angle measured in radians. Also remember this angle theta is the central angle. When theta is in degree, we will use a ratio to figure out the arc length. L over theta degree equals 2 pi r over 360 degree. Cross multiply. L equals theta degree over 360 degree times 2 pi r. For the sector area, we also use a ratio to figure out area over theta degree equals pi r squared over 360 degree. So area equals theta degree over 360 degree times pi r squared. Let's go to question 1. Find the arc length L and the shaded area A in the following diagram. 1. We are given the angle in degree. Central angle corresponding to L and shaded area is 360 degree minus 255 degree equals 105 degree. So L equals theta degree over 360 degree times 2 pi r equals 105 degree over 360 degree times 2 pi times 1.5, 2.75 inch. The area equals theta degree over 360 degree times pi r squared equals 105 degree over 360 degree times pi times 1.5 squared. 2.06 as 3 figures, inches squared. First of all, let's check the central angle. We got this angle is 2 pi over 3 in radian. Then this central angle theta equals 2 pi minus 2 pi over 3, which is 4 pi over 3. We will use this formula for arc length, theta times r, which is 4 pi over 3 times 3.4 meters, 14.2 meters. For shaded area, we will use 1/2 theta r squared, which is 1/2 times 4 pi over 3 times 3.4 squared. Go to calculator. Equals 24.2 meter squared. Let's go to question 2. Find the measure of angle theta in radians. A. We are given this arc length. Using this formula, we got 15 equals theta times 4.5. Let's go to equation solver. Variable, let's use A times 4.5. Control menu, enter, enter, enter. A equals 3.33 as 3 sig figures. Pull up, going down. Then go to menu, go to 2. Change this into fraction. Enter. We got 10 over 3 as the accurate answer. By solver, theta equals 10 over 3. Let's go to B. We are given this shaded area 1.5 meters squared. We are looking for this theta. For this shaded area, we know this central angle is 2 pi minus theta. We got to use this formula. Area equals 1/2 r squared theta. This theta in the formula means central angle. In this question, central angle is 2 pi minus theta. Area is 1.5 equals 1/2. R is 2 squared times 2 pi minus theta. Let's directly go to calculator. Type in the equation. 2 pi, we got to use this button. Minus, let's still use A as our variable. Then control menu, enter, enter, enter. So answer is 5.53 as 3 sig figures. So remember in the formula, this theta is the central angle. From this diagram, we know the central angle for this shaded area is 2 pi minus theta. Let's go to question 3. Find the shaded area and a perimeter of sector OACBO. The shaded area equals area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of sector, we got to use the formula 1/2 r squared theta. For area of triangle AOB, we got to use the formula 1/2 AB sin C. This C is the included angle. This theta is a central angle. OA is a radian, so equals 10 millimeters. Area of sector. Make sure this theta is in radian. 1/2 radian is 10 squared times theta 1.75 minus area of triangle AOB is 1/2. This is AB sin C, which is 10 times 10 sine 1.75. Answer is 38.3 millimeters squared. How to figure out the shaded area in this diagram? Let's label radians as r. The central angle is theta. Then for this shaded area equals the sector area 1/2 r squared theta minus triangle area 1/2 r times r sine theta. Make sure this theta is in radian. Then we can take a common factor 1/2 r squared out, theta minus sine theta. If possible, try to remember this formula. Let's go to question 4. Find the angle AOB in radian if the shaded area is 35 millimeters squared. We will use this formula for the shaded area. Remember, theta is in radian. Then let's plug in the value. 35 equals 1/2. 12 squared theta minus 1/2. 12 squared sine theta. Make sure this angle is in radian. Then go to Control menu. Enter, enter, enter. A equals 1.48. Theta equals 1.48.